Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
First, prepare your device and account before starting Smart Pass activation. Install or update the Emirates NBD mobile app from your device store. Confirm your mobile number and email match bank records to receive a 4-digit OTP. Charge your phone above 20% and connect to a secure Wi-Fi network. Decide whether you will use biometrics or a 4-digit Smart Pass PIN for future logins. Finally, close other banking sessions and have your Emirates ID nearby if prompted for identity. Next, open the Emirates NBD mobile app and sign in with your credentials. Tap the menu, then choose Security Settings and select Smart Pass Activation. Read the short explanation about Smart Pass features and permissions before proceeding. Choose Biometric Unlock if your device supports it, or set a 4-digit Smart Pass PIN instead. The app will send a 4-digit OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP exactly when prompted to complete the verification step. Finally, confirm activation and test Smart Pass to ensure it works correctly. The app will display a success message stating Smart Pass is active and ready for use. Sign out of the app and sign in again using Biometric Unlock or your 4-digit Smart Pass PIN. Perform a low-risk action like viewing your account balance to confirm seamless access. If the feature fails, open Security Settings, choose Reset Smart Pass, and follow the prompts or contact Emirates NBD support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.